Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see how to create this image column chart in Excel. If you see here, instead of the usual column charts, we have this fancy infographic chart which is present over here. If we change these values are dynamic. For example, if I put 35% over here, your chart automatically updates. So let's see how we can create this chart. We first go to PowerPoint. We have an image over here. This is a normal image which I have taken from the internet and I have cropped it into a rectangular column shape. Next is you go to Insert, you go to Shapes and in Flowchart, select the shape over here which says Delay. So I have selected this shape over here. Now in Shape Outline, say No Outline, and in Shape Fill, use the eyedropper tool. So once you have this eyedropper tool, you can see over here, go over here and select whichever color which you want. For example, I am selecting this blue color. So just select this color over here and you see automatically your chart, your particular shape gets that color. Next, select your shape, go to rotate and do left 90 so it becomes straight. The next step is just adjusting these two, and then you just need to group both of this. So I am adjusting it accordingly and I am grouping it. So you get your shape over here. Copy this shape onto your Excel sheet. So we have our data over here and I have copied the shape onto my Excel sheet. Select your data point, go to insert a normal column chart. Delete your axis, delete the grid lines, delete the title. Just make the font a little big, make it black in color. The next step is just copy your particular image, go on to your series and paste it. Format your data series and adjust your gap width accordingly to how much you want. So I wanted this much. So it's around 124%, so you can play around with it. Next is you add your data labels, bolded, and you get your chart ready. It's a very fancy infographic looking chart, so you can use any images which you want. Just crop it into a rectangular shape and add any additional shapes which you want and combine the image and the shape and get your required infographic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.